welcome in to Ladybird Loves. This is an announcement video, as the title and the thumbnail suggests, for the next CAL on the channel. CAL meaning crochet along. Now my name is Khadijah, I'm the one who's going to be hosting it, and because of the popularity of the previous pick and mix CAL. How tall does it go? Oh my gosh. Well, we're going to do pick and mix part 2, but not quite the same. Not quite. We need to change things up a bit, right? So this time we are going to be doing triangles. Not many people do triangles. You get the occasional hexagon or pentagon, you get a lot of squares, but how many of us actually do triangles? Well, that's what we're going to do. So we're aiming to make a lap gan. Now with this lap gan, you are going to be making all your triangles in 20 different stitches. 20 different stitches. Maybe you'll know some, maybe some will be brand new, but either way, that's how we're doing it. We're doing different triangles with different colours and different stitches. Now that being said, you are going to need a total of 6 colours. 6. Okay? So you need 5 colours for your triangles, and you're going to need 1 colour for your border. Now here's the maths. If I've done it right, I hope so. We are going to be looking at using either Aran or DK. If you're using Aran, then for each colour you are going to need 300 meters approximately. You should need a fair bit less than that, but of course it changes depending on your tension. I personally don't know what your tension is. So you shouldn't need any more than 300 meters of any one colour if you are using Aran. If you are preferring to use a DK, then you're going to need 400 meters per colour. Now when I say per colour, this does not include your border, because your border, regardless, you are going to need between 120 and 150 meters. That's it. Approximately 150. I'm going to say 150. That's your thing. 150 for your border color. Now, whether you want to go and do variegated for every single triangle, whether you want to do variegated for one lot of triangles, or whether you want to do solids completely, it is down to you. But I would highly recommend that your main 5 colours be solid colours. And that is purely because you're never going to know what stitch we're doing. And a lot of stitches could get lost with variegated. So, your border, you can variegate it. Why not? If that's what you want. But with your main colours, my suggestion, my recommendation, not to be taken as gospel, is use solid colours. Now this we are aiming to do in the new year, beginning on the 12th night, aka the 5th of January. Now what I'm going to do is gather up people's names who would like to do this, And it doesn't matter whether you are subscribed to the channel, whether you are a member, whether you are my bestest bud in the entire world. If you want to sign up to this, you are more than welcome to be the first to view. All you need to do is email me between now and then and let me know that you want to join in. And the reason why I'm doing it that way is because when I record every Monday, because that's when it'll be, once a week on a Monday mayhem, I will be doing it live with the people that have said they want to sign up. The trials, the tribulations, everything that happens in a live will happen with those people that signed up. Only they will be able to see it. And then I will be editing that live once it's processed, shortening it down and giving you the dead basics some point in the week. I don't know how long it's going to take me to edit it because I don't know how long it's going to take to process, but my guess is within 2 days. I hope. The public video will be then up, and it'll be a much shorter version, but whatever happens, any stitches that are brought up on that week will be in a tutorial. If I haven't got a tutorial for that stitch, I will recommend one in the description. But each triangle should be approximately 6-inch equilateral triangle. And we're going to be joining in a very unique way. Don't worry about having a yarn for your joining. That's all I'm saying for that bit. So if you want to join up to the cowl, let me know. Email me. The email is down below. It is ladybirdlovescrochet@gmail.com. Sign up. Go for it. And during my Friday lives from now until Christmas, the mayhem of Christmas, from now until Christmas, every Friday I will be taking a maximum of 4 stitch suggestions. 1 stitch suggestion per person. Okay? Okay. And I will be adding them to a wheel. When it comes to January, doing the cowl, we will have 2 wheels. One with the numbers 1 to 5, each corresponding to one of your colours, and the other wheel will have all the stitches on. So we'll spin one wheel and get the colour. We'll spin the other wheel and find out what stitch. And that's how we're going to play the game. So, are you up for it? Let me know. Get a hold of me, and hopefully we'll see you there. Bloopers and all. See you later. Bye-bye.